Good day, hello. This is Solito F. Henosas presenting semiconductor diodes, characteristics, and forward and reverse bias. Join with me and have fun. Semiconductor diodes, characteristic in forward and reverse bias. The following materials in the experiment are VOM, which is multi-tester, and we have red and black probes of the tester. We have power bank, breadboard, two solid wire number 22, and we have supply of 9 volts battery and 5 volts. Ito is from the charger, which is yung cord niya po. Yung binalitan ko po para makuha natin is yung black and red wire, which is negative and positive. And we have alligator clip para po sa battery later po, para ma-diretso po yung pag-flow ng current through the wire from the battery. And we have rectifier diode, and we have LED, and we have resistor with the value of 1000 ohms. So that's all the requirements or materials in the experiment number 2. First, I will do the supply of 9 volts with 3 diodes in the breadboard with 2 solid wire number 22 with a supply of 9 volts. So I will set up the breadboard, and we have the rectifier diode. So I will place here, and we have resistor with 1000 ohms, actual value with 1000 ohms, and we have LED. So I place here. So we have 2 solid wire number 22, so I have supply of 9 volts, and I have 2 alligator clip para maklik ko po yung wire since wala po siyang battery holder. So positive, connect natin sa positive side of the supply or the battery. So here I will lock here, and the other side here. So negative to negative and positive to positive. Wait lang po. Ayan. So make sure na is nakalock po yung pagkakalagay sa breadboard para hindi po siya kakalas. Ayan. And then I will clip. So that's the setup for the 9 volts supply with 3 diodes and 2 solid wire number 22. Now I will measure the voltage of rectifier diode, LED, and the resistor with actual value of 1000 ohms. So I will start with the LED. So since it's forward bias, so positive to positive and negative to negative of the diode. So I got 1.8 volts. So I try ulit. So 1.8 volts of LED. So namatay siya. Yan. So hindi lang pumayos yung pagkakabit. Next, and we'll measure the volts in the rectifier diode. So I measure 0.6 volts, and the resistor with actual value of 1000 ohms. I measured it with 5.6 volts. Right now I will set up the 5 volts. So I have a power bank, and I have a 5 volts supply of cord or the charger. So kukunin ko lang siya ng, since ito is positive probe to the positive probe or positive circuit or charger po, positive charge ng battery ay ng cord po, and since ito po ay negative probe or negative wire, kukunin ko po siya sa negative wire of the charger or the cord. So next is, so I will cross stitch both of them. So I will use pliers to cross out them, so to twist both of them. So next wire is this. So I will twist lang both of them to make dikit sa isa't isa po, so to flow the current. So I will plug the cord to charger. Yan. So I place it na lang here. Yan. So setup, ayun po yung setup ng 5 volts na supply with 3 diodes and 2 solid wire and breadboard. Right now I will measure the volts in the LED, in the rectifier diode, and in the resistor, and there's a 5 volts of supply. So I will get the BOM, and since it says forward bias, so positive to positive, negative to negative. So I will start with the LED. Oops. Wait lang po. So here, oops, I'll measure the LED with 1.8 volts. So I measure, sorry po. Yan. And next is the rectifier diode with 0.6 volts, and the resistor, the resistor po is 2.2 volts.